This is the new Aston Martin Vanquish Vision Concept. Vanquish Vision Concept previews design language of Aston Martin's first series production mid-engine supercar, fourth model in Aston Martin's mid-engine series following Aston Martin Valkyrie, Valkyrie AMRA Pro and AMRB 003 propels Aston Martin into mid-engine sector, previously defined by key competitors. Tech highlights include bespoke bonded aluminium structure and new V6 engine, scheduled to enter production in 2022. A tantalising preview of Aston Martin's first series production mid-engine supercar, the Vanquish Vision Concept showcases the design language of the marque's most ambitious model, taking center stage today alongside AMRB 003, the marque's third mid-engine hypercar, and the Lagonda All-Terrain Concept. Reviving an iconic nameplate traditionally reserved for Aston Martin's flagship production model, the advanced design study provides further evidence of the proudly British brand's intent to compete in one of the most hotly contested market sectors in the automotive world, one traditionally defined by Italian supercar makers, with this Gaydon-built offering. Detailed technical information will be revealed as the development program advances, but two items of high-level information can be disclosed, the first being confirmation the production version of Vanquish Vision Concept will feature a version of Aston Martin's new V6, the engine that will make its debut in AMRB 003 in hybrid turbo form. Secondly, in a departure from the Aston Martin Valkyrie and AMRB 003's all-carbon fiber construction, the Vanquish Vision Concept features a bespoke bonded aluminium chassis, developed under the guidance of mid-engine specialist and Aston Martin Chief Technical Officer, Max SZWAJ. As established automotive world leaders in bonded aluminium structures, Aston Martin is perfectly placed to demonstrate the cost, speed of production and weight versus strength advantages of this technology. As with all Aston Martin products, the Vanquish Vision Concept will undergo a rigorous development process as it nears its final production specification, utilizing the experience of handling gurus Matt Becker and Chris Goodwin.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.